Selection skills of low-temperature chiller installation location. According to the cooling capacity of the low-temperature chiller. First, the cooling capacity of the low-temperature chiller is greater than or equal to 20 HP. You can choose to install the equipment in the machine room. Due to the large volume of the equipment, plus the water pumps and water tanks in the system, it takes up a lot of space. It can be installed in a special machine room. Second, the cooling capacity of the low-temperature chiller is less than 20 HP. If there is a place in the production workshop, the equipment can be installed directly in the workshop, against the wall or the corner of the column, which can save pipes and machine rooms. Follow the cooling method of the low-temperature chiller. First, if it is an air-cooled low-temperature chiller, in principle, it cannot be installed directly next to the production equipment, because the hot air from the air-cooled heat exchange will be directly discharged in the workshop, which will have a greater impact on equipment with temperature and humidity requirement. There is no requirement for temperature and humidity, and it will also affect the ambient temperature while workers work. Therefore, it is generally installed in a well-ventilated computer room or outdoors. Second, if it is a water-cooled low-temperature chiller, and the cooling capacity meets the above-mentioned requirements, it can be directly installed in the production workshop, because the heat exchange method of the water-cooled chiller is a closed system that circulates through pipelines. The impact is relatively small.